Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to chain. But first I would like to introduce myself. My name is Akia and I am the owner and designer of Iconic Trends. So let's get started. Once you got the slip knot, then you will yarn over and pull through. So then yarn over and then pull through. Yarn over and then pull through. Yarn over and pull through. And that is how you make a chain. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. My next tutorial will be me teaching you how to make a single crochet. So chain 20 to 30 chains and we'll come back and I'll show you how to make a single crochet in my next video.